Hey everyone, my name is Gary Thompson. I'm a college student and I'm a YouTuber, apparently. That's how you found me. Okay, hold up. So you're watching this video for a reason. And that reason is because... Alright, enough of that. But in all seriousness, I believe every college student should have a credit card. But this is not financial advice. This is my opinion, this entire video. So just put that out there. Don't want to get into legal troubles. Every college student should have a credit card so they can, number one, start building their credit. So today we're going to be talking about why you should build your credit and the advantages that come with building your credit. And we're also going to be talking about what I pretty much believe is the overall, I checked everyone, trust me, before I got mine. I think it's the overall best credit card for college students or just young people in general. This is the best credit card in my opinion. Wait and stay tuned for it. A lot of you guys are probably asking that, you're beginners in this, credit card space. Why even build my credit? Look at credit cards in this way, and I'm going to give it to you guys in the simplest terms. Credit is the way that someone sees if you're worth investing in. That's it. That's the video. Like and subscribe. No, I'm playing, guys. That's just not it. Basically, credit is like saying if you can pay things on time and if you're like an efficient person. Whether that be the bank want to see if you pay your credit card on time, whether a dealership wants to see if you pay your credit card on time, they want to see if you pay your credit on time because that shows that you're a good customer and that they could loan you money or they could loan you a car because they know that you will pay it back and you're good on your word, basically. And most of you guys, if you're in college currently and you took out student loans, you have a credit score. Even if you don't think you do, you have one because you took out installment loans. So, not sponsored, but you can check Credit Karma out. It's free. I'll leave a link below. Just check it out and you can see your credit score. Mine was terrible when I first looked at it after I took a loan out. And credit scores, they also range from 300 to 850. 850 being the pinnacle, the creme de... I don't even know how to say it, but it's the pinnacle. As a good credit score can help you out a ton in the future. Let me give you guys a story that happened with me with credit. So I had an iPhone XR, red, pretty phone, right? Dropped it in my sink. I know, I dropped it in my sink. In my sink. I dropped it in the sink. How I dropped it in the sink. So essentially it stopped working. And being the broke college student I am, I had like $50 to my name. $80. Let me not be rough on myself. But, I didn't have the money to pay for a new phone, so I had a pretty good credit score at the time, I believe around 630, so I went on a mobile provider and I signed up for a contract and I got approved because my credit score was actually pretty good for my age, and I literally only had to pay the tax for it, and I literally got a phone for $80 and I just pay on it monthly. So literally, good credit score can help you out in things like that, but they also help you out with things you want to buy a home in the near future, because trust me, not all you guys want to live at home with your parents. I know you want to get your own house and own apartment. Having a good credit score will 100%, no 0, no 5, no 10. Having a good credit score 100% affects you being able to get a house. And it helps when you financing a car because lower down payment if your credit is better. You guys see what I'm saying? So as long as you guys pay on time and it's really healthy with your credit and keeping up with everything that you are invested in, like in terms of credit, you guys will look really good in the bank eyes and you have no problems. But bad credit. Let's talk about bad credit, because bad credit is bad. You pay your credit cards and things late. Fees stack up. Banks are like, oh, this look fishy, champ. We don't want that here. Well, just be careful with paying late fees. You don't want to file for bankruptcy or anything, guys. Not this age, please. Now we talked about why credit is good. Let's talk about what I think is the best credit card to start off as a college student or just a young person in general or wherever you're at in life. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, come on. I knew you wasn't drum rolling. Come on. Drum roll, please. Discover Student Cashback card. Not sponsored. Let me tell you guys why I love this card. What I'm about to tell you is not important just for this card, but it's important for literally every credit card. And that's that it has 0 annual fees. So guys, annual fees are essentially how much you're charged per year for having it. So some credit cards charge you $50. Some credit cards charge you $100. Man, some credit cards charge you like $500 a year just for having the card on top of the bill payments. And with $0 annual fee on this card, you literally building your credit for free. Now, you can get a limit up to, I believe, $1,500 on this card. And the best thing about credit cards will always be the perks and rewards. So with this card, you get 5% cash back. You get it at places like the gas station, which, guys, trust me, if you look at my credit card statements, Speedway, get go, and restaurants. So if you want to go out overnight on the town and you have a little extra money to spare, You know, you get cash back for that. Sometimes they actually do things where you can have like specials. So like for a certain month, like a place like Target will have a boosted cash back. So that's really cool. And the rewards are, guys, do not get a credit card if the rewards are butt. You want cool rewards, so get a card with nice rewards. You can check their website, guys, for all the special perks and things that they have on a monthly basis. But if you guys want to get this card, it's going to be down below. If you sign up using my link, you'll get $50 on top of your statement. So you get $50 on top of whatever you get, you know, approved for, and you can $50 for free, man. Spend it. So hit that link right now. Well, not right now. Wait till the video's over and check it out. So I just told you guys, it's nothing to be scared of, but you're still scared. I know you are. I can see you. You're still scared. And you don't understand credit cards. You don't understand the bill side. Why would they give me $1,500? So let me explain everything for you guys. Come on, I got you. But first, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, you know, for the YouTube algorithm. So they can push this video out for more people like you to see it. So once you're approved for this credit card, you'll get a thing called a credit line. And that is like the max amount you can spend on this card. So if you get approved for $1,500, you can spend $1,500. You can't spend more than that though. You guys can spend your credit card on whatever you want. I literally will not tell you guys what to spend it on because I don't know your circumstances and your situations. And I'm not a financial advisor at all anyways. You guys can spend it on whatever you want. But I'm going to tell you guys a story and examples of what I spent my credit card on. So my credit card is primarily used for emergencies and gas. And I use that gas to stack on those sweet cashback points. Oh, by the way, cashback can literally be used to either pay your bill or even buy you Amazon gift cards. Cashback is sick. But let's get back to the top. If I were ever a hungry college student, you know, in my dorm, starving at night, like you guys ever just, like, comment down below, you just starve at night, man, like just starving. I don't have any money, I will use my credit card. That's another thing I would spend it on. Gas, I would spend it on emergencies, and like if I was late at night hungry and like, you know what, I'm like, it's only like an extra $10. I'm gonna just use it. It's fine. I'll pay it back, you know? So that's what I use mine for. Now, I'm not sure if everyone has the same bill, but I'm gonna be super transparent with you guys. My bill is $35 a month. Yeah, $35 a month. That's it. That's how much I paid to keep my credit card, you know, stacking up. So once I spend it, you know, it's going back up. So now let me explain the biggest thing about credit cards that people are afraid of. And they have this stigma like, oh, Gary, if I spend $400, will I have to pay it back as soon as possible? No, guys, you don't have to pay it back as soon as possible. So if you spend, okay, you have a $1,500 credit line, okay? You spent $400, now you have $1,100 left, right? You are going to be paying back that bill, and your bill will not increase based on how much you spent. Your bill will always stay the same unless you get like late fees or something, but that's a whole different story. Let's say you're being very healthy, very responsible with your credit card. You literally will only pay the same bill every month, and you'll be paying back $35 in terms of me. You would never have to pay like excess. You understand? So you guys can you can literally just max the credit card out. But this is not financial advice, guys. Max the credit card out literally, and it's gonna be $35 in my case. So don't be scared. It's not like a bad thing to have a credit card. It's actually really good for your future. So don't be scared. Just don't be scared. And this is my opinion, not financial advice. A lawsuit. If you guys got any more questions about credit cards, please let me down below. And guys, if you guys know about credit cards and people down below are confused, you help them out too. We're a community and we help each other out. But if this video was any great for you, like you learned anything from this video, gently hit that like button. But really aggressively hit that subscribe button. And comment if you made it to this far of the video. Comment like a sniff, like comment that like sniff. You know, like the the asterisk sniff. Okay. Love you guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.